Alright, I need to talk for this part. It's very crucial. With this Blue LocTite, you're only going to want to put the smallest little dab in here into the threads in order to hold the little screw in place so this never falls off again. If you put too much in, you're never going to get this thing off the wall. I did a test with too much Loctite in there and it was almost impossible to get this out. In fact, I stabbed my finger when I was doing it. If you're looking for an awesome video, this is my very best video right here. Check it out. I'm going to be heading down to the emergency room to get this finger checked out. It's not good. Not good at all.